Hey guys, before starting to the video, I really want to ask you, do you guys find that challenges are interesting? Please tell me now. Okay, how will you tell me? Okay, let me know in the comment section below, but let me tell you that I do find challenges super interesting. Why? First of all, there are three reasons. First is that they really push me to work a little harder. Second, when I tell about challenges in YouTube, when I tell you guys that I am going to do this challenge for next couple of days, it becomes a burden on my shoulder that yes, I have to perform good because somebody is there watching me, somebody is there who is judging me, or maybe I am already influencing someone, I am already helping someone to get more benefits from the work they do and to do the work properly, if I make sense. And third is that they really keep your mind work like this, because when you post a video or whenever you do a challenge on a regular basis, be it related to your health, fitness, video, or any kind of hobby you want to develop, when you do it regularly, you are actually brushing up your skills, you are brushing up your mind skills plus the skills you are working on. So definitely the challenges are super useful. So with this, welcome to Sandwich Life and I am Falguni. So if you guys remember, few days or I guess few months, 1 month or 2 months back, I did a 7-day challenge and बहुत ज़्यादा काम आया था वो. That was very useful. I posted video for 7 days continuously and I really liked it that few of you in the comments, they actually mentioned me that they are also doing the challenge with me. We track our challenge on writing it on a diary, and I show you the results. The challenges are always helpful. It's not necessary कि आपको जो भी result मिले they are big, or maybe they are in a very small ratio you can see a difference, but yes, challenges are always helpful. So today we are going to start one more challenge, yay! And I really want you guys to be with me in this challenge. If you are a YouTuber, then you can definitely be with me in the challenge by making a YouTube video. And if you are someone who are completely new and not a YouTuber, then you can start any hobby. What is new in this challenge for me? I am going to tell you very soon. Now, in this challenge, what is new for me is that I am going to do two things together. I never say that you have to do the same stuff, but for me it is two things. First of all, it is I am going to post a YouTube video for next 10 days. What is new is, as you know, that my channel is a complete package. There is not particular any topic with only one topic which I discuss, but yes, it's a complete package. I do share my experiences, I do share vlogging, I do share my simple outings with you guys. So for next 10 days I am going to make a video on any one particular niche. What it will be, that you will find out later. Sorry. And the second thing is, which I just thought instantly, that can you see these marks on my face? Yes, these are the pimple marks which come and go, and these guests are like pretty regular. They visit me often in 1 or 2 months. So what I thought is, for next 10 days I am going to do, and I am going to follow a perfect skincare routine for myself. And if these marks, whatever the situation will be after 10 days, and for today I will click the photo, I will post it here, and what the difference is there in 10 days, I will definitely show it to you guys. And after 10 days I will show you what all I have done, and I will follow lot of pimple mark removing tricks in it, and all these things I will share with you guys after 10 days. So this is going to be really interesting, because first of all I am going to show you the everything which is going on the face, and secondly the videos. I'm really hoping that this time also you guys will be with me. I really want people to do well in whatever they are trying. First of all, if you are a YouTuber, it's really important to be present on YouTube every time. And it really happens कि हम लोग busy हो जाते हैं. It's not easy to make a video every day. But let me tell you what I am in between right now, and if I can make a video, then anybody in this world can make a video and can create a video in this situation. Okay, so first of all, the situation is त्योहार का टाइम चल रहा है. It is the festive time in India, and obviously during festive time there is lot of house cleaning, there is lot of cooking, there is a guest in my house, my parents are there. Rudraksh need attention, his studies are also there, his schools are already resumed, I mean online school, so obviously the pressure is a bit on parents, so everything is on full high. And in between of all the chaos, I have decided to post a video for next 10 days and to maintain my skincare routine and the proper following the skincare routine to get these pimple marks go. So definitely everybody face different situation. हर किसी की situation same नहीं होती. I'm pretty sure आप लोगों में से बहुत लोग होंगे जो कि इससे बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहे होंगे, कुछ होंगे जो मे बी कम. So we can't actually define कि कौन कितना कर रहा है और किसके लिए कितना ज़रूरी है कितना नहीं है. So if for me this is a lot, and if I can do this in this time, then you can definitely do it. और एक बार करने लगोगे ना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा. And I am going to post this time, I am going to post the page of my diary where I write everything about the challenges every time on the video in the starting. So this is going to be really fun. So do let me know in the comment section below that who all are going to do this with me. I know that many of you already do. कई लोग होते हैं जो रेगुलर वीडियो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, कई लोग हैं जो अपना कोई हॉबी डेवलप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and they are very strict about it. But being someone who is not so strict, for me it is really a challenge and I will try to complete it. So I am looking forward to listen from you guys in the comment section below and to see that who all are joining me in this journey. So take care, bye. And so this is the day 1 of my challenge and I am already done.